A storm was building, getting ready to soak the hay I'd cut and raked. I'm thinking lower yield, a big dent in my bottom line. I had to get that hay off. I needed help fast. Lucky for me, the neighbor boy was around and came right over. He was pulling the loaded wagons to the barn and doing fine until we changed the routine. I told him to turn into the first gate instead of the second gate. He forgot and overshot it, but he still tried to turn, hard. All that weight behind him. I heard the wheels skid on the gravel, saw the wheels leave the ground. He was going over. He had a rough ride, but he'll be okay. He was wearing a seatbelt, and the tractor had a ROPS, a rollover protective structure, a roll bar. I had it installed a couple of months ago, and all I had to do was make a call. Got a 70% rebate too. The process was easy. I just called 1-877-ROPS-R4U or 1-877-767-7748. The hotline staff did all the work. They told me my roll bar options and helped me get the rebate. The call was quick and easy. Easier than the call I would have had to make to his parents. Seriously, make the call. Get a ROPS on your tractor. Do it for your family, your employees, and for yourself.